What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the third and final heritage edition of the Ford GT called the 2022 Ford GT LM. And this heritage edition pays tribute to the company's success at Circuit de la Sarthe, where the blue oval witnessed two historic victories. However, rather than focus on the first that occurred in 1966 and was retold to the great effect by Ford versus Ferrari, if you guys remember seeing that movie, well, the GT LM shines the spotlight on the second victory, which took place 50 years later in 2016. And now just 22 examples of the 2022 Ford GT LM will be produced, just one more than the 2022 Ford GT Holman Moody Heritage Edition. And that car was revealed earlier this year. Now each Heritage Edition LM will feature either red or blue tinted accents applied throughout to honor the 2016 GT's winning livery. And the GT LM also features unique 3D printing elements, repurposed elements of the 2016 third place Ford GT Le Mans race car, and a bespoke Alcantara interior. Now, as with the previous Heritage Editions, the defining factors apply to the exterior and interior adornments, while the GT LM retains the 660 horsepower 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6. Now, out to prove a point against Ferrari, Ford did the impossible by clinching the Le Mans 24 hours in 3 GT40s. They did so in spectacular style, securing the first, second, and third. And 50 years later, history repeats itself with a Ford GT prepared by Chip Ganassi Racing in a time frame of little over a year, going wheel to wheel with Ferrari once again. The third generation supercar proved victorious, with Ferrari the second place podium filling in a Ford GT sandwich of first place car number 68 and third place car number 69. Now for 2022's Ford GT LM podium finishing car, number 69's original crankshaft has been ground into a powder, which then was used as part of the unique alloy used to 3D print the instrument panel badge featured in all 22 special editions. That's right, the crankshaft will feature in each GT LM all 22 special editions. Now the exterior of the 2022 Ford GT LM features either red or blue accents with optional red-blue tinted exposed carbon fiber on the lower extremities, and this includes the front splitter, side sills, and door sills, and rear diffuser. Now the engine bay louvers and mirror stalks are also available in either red or blue exposed carbon tint. Also, unique to the LM edition are 20-inch exposed carbon wheels with red or blue accents on the inner barrels. Now hiding behind them are black lacquered Brembo brake calipers, while the wheels themselves are held in place by similarly dark painted titanium lug nuts. Finally, the rear sees a 3D printed dual exhaust made from titanium and similarly 3D printed titanium GT LM badge. Now inside the GT LM, it features bespoke interior with carbon fiber seats wrapped in Alcantara, and a driver's seat which is colored in, yes, you've guessed it, either red or blue. The passenger seat also remaining in ebony, which will be trimmed in red or blue stitching to match the driver's side. Even the engine start button goes down the same path of being color coded to the rest of the car's theme. And in the remainder of the interior, you have ebony and Alcantara that continues through the feature of the pillars and headliner, while carbon fiber is found on the console, vent registers, and lower A-pillars with a matte finish. Meanwhile, the instrument panel is wrapped in ebony leather and Alcantara. Now the LM edition is available for order by approved Ford GT customers, while pricing has not yet been announced, but the company has confirmed that deliveries of the 2022 units of the GT LM edition will commence in the fall this year, with production wrapping by the end of 2022. So with that said, what do you guys think about the last Heritage Edition, the GT LM? And what do you guys think about that crankshaft powder ending up in each car in a 3D printed element? Let me know what you guys think about that one down below. Now with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon. Just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel, I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch, where you can get t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. It's everything I'm posting. Car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.